I wanted to showcase a poll I posted over on the community tab. And I posted this about 9 days ago, it looks like. Basically, the poll was, does your current hobby bring you joy? And it's interesting. We got 12 votes. And it is interesting to see, I think 3 people said no, that their hobby does not bring them joy. And so that got me thinking. And, you know, choosing what you spend your time on is obviously key, because time is a valuable resource. It's a time and health are our only true resources, right? Over this last year, how things have changed here in the dojo, things have changed with Back to the Basics. You know, I have been asking myself that question. That's why I kind of wanted to share it to the community tab. Do the hobbies I have on the day-to-day or the weekly, do the hobbies I have bring me joy? And I've had to get back to the basics. I had to get back to the fundamentals, and I had to analyze a lot of these things. And I've kind of whittled things out of my day-to-day life that have kind of become stagnant and that do not bring me joy. And now I'm kind of by the process of elimination. After analyzing, I have chosen very few things that I want and now consider my hobby, and that I'm going to be investing my time, you know, money, resources, my energy into. Obviously, this right here, YouTube channel, Back to the Basics, specifically the wing of the aspect of live streaming, gaming with you guys, and the joy, obviously very easily highlightable, is the fact that this happens, that together we can communicate and engage with each other. I have always believed in live streaming since I first found out about it back in the day. I've always believed in live streaming, and I truly do believe live streaming will become bigger and bigger with time. I mean, you have normal people who really don't engage with the internet much going live. And so live streaming is essential, and it is probably going to be something that you're going to have to pay for in the future. So the fact that we can go live for free, basically, today is really awesome on these platforms. The way that allows you to connect with the audience in the chat, and it is just a really cool experience. And so, yeah, live streaming, I've invested more of my time into live streaming because live streaming does bring me joy. And we can create that catalog of memories here on the channel that hopefully live there long past me, you know? And so all these nostalgic adventures we can go on together, and that's kind of the way I view it. And so it was interesting to see how some people chose no, because I've been in there, you know, I've been in that zone right there, and I've been shaving things out of my life, cleaning things out of my life that do not bring me joy, that have been my hobbies for many years, whether, you know, whatever it may be. So it is something important to think about, as you know, as the world gets crazier, as we get older, and time is of the essence. And the way we spend that time, obviously our hobbies, we want to make sure that what we're doing and what we're spending our time on is bringing us joy, and at least, you know, allowing us to come to some sort of, whether it's a goal, whether it's you're trying to achieve something, whatever you're working on or working towards, you know, hopefully we as individuals can find joy in that process. And if there is no joy, I challenge you to kind of get back to the basics and analyze where the joy went. Because a lot of us, we're creatures, humans, we are creatures of habit. And habit, once we form habits, it's very comfortable. And it's uncomfortable to break those habits, even though they no longer bring us joy. So, something to think about from a nostalgic perspective.
1, 2,